Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about title block creation and Revit. Let's find out. First of all, I'm going to create a new project. Use find the construction template. You click over here and then the pop up this one new project, click OK. Just wait a while. It come here the new project. You might need the sheet to prepare for the documentation. And look over here, this is a default title block in here, but you just open it that you find the Autodesk default. We are not going to using this, so we will use our own title block in here. That is a sample I just took from the internet, I believe it. That is a Singapore from the BCA. So I using this title block. So I was going to using this. I was going to create this title block. For you to understand, you can create your own title block. Okay, so we are going to create a new one. So just close it, then you're going to go to the new and choose for this, or click over here as a family, then choose a title block, and I was going to create an A1 matrix, A1 size. A1 size, the size is a millimeter 841 to 594. So we're going to check it out here. 841 and 594 is correct. So we already have this is a title block. We will insert to the family. Just we will choose a big line and import cut, choosing this. Just click OK. You want to import the model? Yes. Okay, this here we go. So we were going to align into this. Just use this align in here under the modify, align it. Okay, here we go. We already have a 841 is 945. You look over here, the link is like slightly bare, so I don't want it to just unpin as an allowed to create this. We already create this line and choose find the categories of title block. We go into the create and choose a line, and look over here, that is I was choosing this rectangular box and outline. Another one is this guy, and this one another rectangular box in here. Okay, this is a particle. I just pick the line. And how about this? Just keep doing this, creating the line here, 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 and here, and here. Okay, we already done the line for this, then you might need this. We already have these images to put in here, so I was going to insert the image, import the images, and choosing this. Okay, and slap over this. You can resize and within here. Just like that. And another one, and you can copy with this, just like that. Okay, so your image is already there, but you have to create. This is a task. Okay, and here the points I need to explain to the task and lever. The lever is you can use the shape parameter and the project parameter made it associated within into your project. So we are going to create here is a task and the lever here. So this one nothing will be changed. So the sheet of nothing will be changed. In the numbering where we the changes is number 1 and out of 100 sheet. So means 01 is 100. So that 01 and 100 might be the level. So we were applying the parameter. Okay, for this sheet off, so I will choosing the task in here. So what should be the side here? Normally this is a 3 mm. So I was going to create it and 3 mm, one for the 3 mm. Use the area and the 3 mm, side the 3 mm. This one just leave it. Okay, that the rest I'll leave it. This is a 3 mm. So I might need another one is like a 4.5 mm. Okay, 4.5. Just click it. Another one might need the 5 mm. just in case. Okay, here we go. For this one, for sheet off, I was choosing this is 3 mm. So sheet off. Okay, look at this, the side is like bigger size, so I was four. I was using the 4 in here. Okay, this that will be the line. So we created this. Cannot be big line, just draw the line here and draw the line here. Okay, this is the one done. Okay, another one will not be the change test will be permanent. I'm going to create a test here, so I just click one outside and later we'll move it. The reading and construction T1 authority. Okay, so this one is I will choose the 5 mm. 5 mm. Okay, I'm choosing the 4 mm. Okay, for this one I will use this. Okay, like that. Approved. Approved address session 5 slash session 5 is of the control at CAB 29. Okay, here we go. This one will be the 4.5. I will put it here. Okay, this one I will duplicate with this test files. Test files. This test file is show folder. Here, that was the test file here. Okay, I will put it here. Okay, this is the reference number. Then behind the number is will be the parameter. Or if you are not changing anything else, you put it like permanently. So I will create the test here. That one I will choosing the 4.5 and for the reference number. Here we go. Okay, another test to create this. This one up to granted 3 mm. But just using the 2.5 mm. Okay, so the 2.5. Okay, and okay. Here. Okay, another one that might be the 3 mm. Okay, how about here? So I might need to spend the time for that here. Here we go. This task I will put here, and another one I will put here. So we are not enough to split this. I put it down here. So I modify and okay, here we go. So just like that. Okay, the task already there. So the image is already here. Now we're going to create the task here. Okay, that will change to length order or the lower. Here the lower. Okay, the size I will choose 4.5. Copy and down here and attach it to you. Okay, there we go. Let's go to top here. Copy, put it down here. And put the project. And put up. Copy that. Okay. Let's get here. I'm going to create a task here. This one. Let's see. This one should not be 2.5, this will be look at this. I will copy this date. This one will be date. Okay, copy this. This one will be check. Now copy this through. Copy this. Drawing number. Revision. Okay, so the behind the ivory, so we already had enough, so the task everything here we can remove or we can hide this, the link. Okay, this is already we are totally copy from the link AutoCAD file. Then we already created all the tasks, so we are going to need it for the parameter. There's a number in here, we are going to apply it in here. Then we are going to here the create, then choose a label here. So the numbering I might need the 4.5 here, 4.5. First of all 3 mm. So the 3 mm 3. Okay, another one is like the 4.5 mm, 4.5. Another one is we just enough 4.5. That okay. The 3 mm 4.5. Okay, here we go. We are going to using the 3.5 mm. Okay, here we go, 3.5. I will put it down here, the project title. So look at this. This is available the parameter, project parameter. This is a parameter here. Those parameter is already associate the project parameter into the project parameter. Is already associated. We are going to choosing this one first. Okay, project title. That will be the project name. I will choosing the project naming or like organization name, and we were choosing here that is the breeding name. Okay, it might not be exactly unique, then you can choose in here. That's a project title. Project title will be, so that is the project address. So we're going to choosing the project address here. So choose by the 3.5. Okay, the drawing title. So another one is going to create it is the label. Let me create here. Okay, the drawing title is the drawing name or the project name. What is the drawing name? So this is the design by and the client by. The other this is the project name or the drawing name we don't have. So okay, In the next video, I was going to create the project parameter. What you might need, this is the project title or the project the drawing title. I will just leave it this. So this one is not exactly inside the default parameter. The next video I was going to create a shape parameter and how to associate it. So I was going to put it here. What exactly in here is the scale one. Is in the scale. That is will be the scale here. Just you put it here. This is the scale. Created this. Okay. Look over this. This is a 3.3 mm. This might be, I will choose a 3 mm. Okay. So another level. That one will be the date at 3 mm. Okay. Look for the date here. Date and timestamp. Put it here. That will be the date. Not exactly we require, we only needed the date, but just leave it this. Okay. And create the lever. The down by is here. Down by here. Okay, another one. Check by here. Check by here. The drawing number will be the project number, and the project name. We will need the drawing number. We have to key in that is not exactly in here. So the drawing number is will be the sheet number. Good. Okay. The revision here. The color revision here. Just go on. Slide. Okay, this one is very long. I will choose A. The revision. Okay. I will not create this a parameter for this. Then you already have this naming like any company that the client is architect name and engineer name, the planner name here. The landlord, it will be PCA or whatever it is. Is your the developer here. So that is here. The sheet number is like out of the number. So we need to find out here. Is there any number available in here? The sheet of the numbering. The sheet number here. But it's only one, so that will be complete in and off. So we are not, this is not very suitable, so we had to create a new shape parameter here. So the next video I was going to create a shape parameter and how to associate into the project parameter. So we're going to teach you. And here the project title doesn't have what exactly we were needed. This is the project title, but it doesn't have in there. So we have done this is the title block, so we have to save it. That is like the title block. So I was going to create a new title. That one is title block. Okay. Okay. Then you can give it your name. It is a PC, BP, and A1. Just save it. Then you can load into the project and then close it. Load into the project. So you already created here. So when you're going to create a new sheet, just click over this. You already have a tool. So we were choosing the A1. Recently we created this. Look over here. Hold on. I haven't off this link. So I will go back to there. We are not needed this. We don't need this link, so I will just save it. Yes, and log into the project, override it, so it's gone. So this is what you can create the parameter, but you remember that one is doesn't have for the naming for this. Then If you are not applying the shape parameter in here, you can type it, just go to the annotate and choose a task, and here it's like the 2.5 3 mm. Okay, 3 mm, that is the drawing name, is 0.5007, or like the detailed drawing or whatever is a session and detailed drawing or something, that you can type it here. But every time you create a new sheet, you have to type it. That is not really good at. So the project title might be the like it's like the permanent task. This is into your own project, so only one project. So this one you can put it a task. So when you go back to the parameter, like okay, you're going to create the task, the 4 mm. I'm going to create a task choosing the 3.5 or 3 mm. So like two-story or two-story and like and car park or whatever is like in your project name, D1257 facet or 97 or blah blah blah, everything that in order your project title name, you can type it here. And the two you need attached with the swimming pool, something that is like the project title name, and choose a task, not the lever. The lever is a parameter, so you can load into there. Then I will be ordered to save it. This, yes, override. You see the task is coming up here. Okay, so this one we might need the title block. This is how can we create the title block in the M1. This is M1 size 841.594 841.594. Okay, this is how we're going to create this title block. That can be done is any other way. So the next video I will going to create the shape parameter. Okay, we already done. This is the title block in here, so you can check into your project. You select over this. That is the name by like a pure and check by pure and design by pure. In here the naming, you see the date, so really not required for the timing here, the timestamp. So we only need the date. We were going to create the parameter, the new parameter for the title block in the next video. Just wait for it. Then here you see that the question mark in here, the revision here is it doesn't reflect that, but you might need to associate that the revision, the scale will be automatically work into here. So we were going to the level 1. You created that one of the project or something, and the wall here. Okay, whatever the wall you created, and go into this and put it back here. You look at this 100. Here is it reflected 100. The sheet number, the drawing number is the sheet number here. You click over this, the sheet name. This might be the sheet name, so we're going to add it in here, the parameter, the sheet name, and the sheet name, the below here. Just go on here, 3.5, too small, 3.5. So just save it, yes, load and close. Okay, and here the task, so a name, so you select over this, the session and detail drawing, just like that. The revision doesn't reflect it in here, but is not in here yet, so we might need to create the share parameter in here. This is a revision, the current revision, so not really, we cannot use in here. The next tutorial video I was going to create a new share parameter and then how to associate the project parameter. Okay, in this video I hope you guys understand how to create the title block, and make sure like and subscribe for more tutorial video, and see you next video. Bye bye.